Hello everyone, this is Daria from Kaya Academy. Welcome to my channel and welcome to my video. As you can read from the title, what we're gonna do today is learn how to weave our liked videos in YouTube. Like, do you ever wonder, like, where are those liked videos that I have? Like, I like them, but what happens to them? And actually, there are some ways to weave them, and I will show you those methods today. Like, for example, I am liking funny videos. I'm liking, like, for example, I want to learn French, so what do I do is I like those French videos, and then you know what happens? I cannot find it ever again till this moment because I have learned how to do it. And I learned how to do it like a couple years ago, but maybe some of us still don't know, or maybe it's just trying but cannot do it. So that's why I'm here. I'm here to help you out. I'm here to show you how you can do it, you know? So don't worry, be happy. Today you will walk out of this website knowing how to find your liked videos. So no need to stress out or anything. So you can, by the way, you without feeling myself this much, uh, you can do this on your desktop, on your laptop, on your mobile phones, like such as iPhone, Android, or iPad, tablet. You can do it everywhere. And so let's go. Let's see how we do that, how we find those amazing videos that we liked in past. So this method that I'm gonna be using, of course, requires some things, has some requirements, which is opening YouTube. Go to www.youtube.com in your computer's web browser, and this will open your YouTube homepage, just like you can see right here. And of course, if you're logged in, it will open your homepage. But if you're not logged in, it will still, open it. But here, there is going to be a button say sign in, a blue button. Actually, it's just blue button, since I'm using it in a dark mode. By the way, if you want to know how to use YouTube in dark mode, you can check my videos. I also have it there. So what we're gonna do, if you're not logged in, as I said, you're gonna click sign in the upper right corner of the YouTube homepage, like right here. It has to be here, and then you're gonna enter your email address and then your password before proceeding. So in here, you know what we'll do? Rest is so simple. You wouldn't think it would be so simple. It is. So we're gonna click this hamburger menu right here on the left top corner of the page. And yes, we're coming there. You see this? Library. Have you ever been there? I doubt it, because if you've been there, you would know it was there. Let's click. Yeah, and what did we do? We found the library heading, and it is the middle of the sidebar, as you could see. And you see, we have some things here. We have our watch later list, which is 38. I still didn't watch them, and it's my friend, and I should watch it, these ones at least. This is the playlist, and this is my liked videos. You know what I'm gonna do right now? You're gonna go click see all. And as you can see, what I can do is I can just go click this, I can click this, or I have the option to play all from here. So if I click this, all of these 8 videos will be played one after the other one. So yes, but I'm not gonna do it now. Also, when you're gonna do it, since you know like what is it, where is there, you can also shuffle play from this two crossed arrows here. So that's actually pretty much it. Maybe there's one thing in your mind. This just came to my mind. For example, let's go to this video, right? And we have liked it. I'm wondering when I unlike it and go back and oh, you see it's not there anymore. So if you unlike something just because you liked it once does not mean it's gonna appear here, because if you have unliked it, that means you actually didn't do anything to that video right now. You neutralized it. So that's it. I hope I was able to help you, because that's my mission here. I'm trying to help you guys. If you have any questions about this video, or I don't know, about anything else, you can ask me in the comments that has anything related to technology, social media platforms, or these kind of video platforms, and I'll come down there, answer your questions one by one. I'll try my best. And if you have suggestions like, Daria, maybe you should do this video too, you're missing out, you should do this video, you should also let me know about those ones in the comments. So when I'm down there trying to answer your questions, I should also be able to read your suggestions. I love feedback. If you give me feedback, I'm gonna get that feedback and I'm gonna do what I need to do with it. So, and if you like this video and found it helpful, what I mean by saying helpful, what I mean is you didn't know how to find your like videos when you came in here, but now you do. As I said in the beginning of the video, you're gonna walk out of this website knowing how to find your like videos, and I'm pretty sure right now this is what you're gonna do after you have learned how to do it, right? That means I have helped you. That means you found this video helpful. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna like this video, you're gonna give this video a thumbs up. That's exactly what you're gonna do, I know. And before you leave, or before I leave, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I know you did, I know, I can hear you, but I'm just saying, like, if you haven't, because maybe you're signed in with your sister's account right now or something, or maybe you just thought you actually subscribed before, but somehow, who knows who did it, it's showing red still. Go and hit that button too, click on it and subscribe to my channel. So I'm gonna keep you guys posted and give you all this information I have and help you as much as I can. So see you guys in my next video.